Hi, I'm Seth Robinson with CompTIA's research team, and I want to talk about the ways that businesses are going to start bringing AI into their operations. CompTIA's research in early 2024 found several different challenges that companies anticipate facing as they incorporate AI. I think there are 4 big challenges, and I want to kind of work from the bottom up. The number 4 challenge is pulling all of the data together and having that data available to properly train the AI. We've seen companies for a long time now say that they're struggling with some of the foundational pieces of data management or data processing. They want to do the more advanced things like advanced analytics or now training AI, but they have to have all of their storage architecture. They have to have some database administration. They have to have some of those foundational pieces in place first before they can get to the tougher stuff. The number 3 challenge is cybersecurity. You don't think about cybersecurity after you've purchased the technology. You think about it at the same time. And as companies are bringing in AI, they have to think about how is the data being used? Is this data coming from a trusted location? Are we sure that nobody can insert bad data into our training data? So then we would have something called data poisoning that would throw off the AI results. All of these things are part of cybersecurity concerns. The number 2 challenge is in building out the infrastructure. And just like a lot of companies aren't going to build their own AI algorithms, a lot of companies aren't going to have to build their own infrastructure for running those algorithms. They're going to be using cloud computing providers or managed service providers. They still have to incur the costs that come with that, and they still have to think about the network costs as they're transmitting all this data. And then the final challenge that companies cite is the ability to balance the output that comes from AI with what they can get from their existing workforce. A lot of people worry about jobs going away because of AI, and that is a concern. Some jobs will be disrupted, but more often in our research, we see companies saying that they want to use technology to help their workers do more advanced things or invent new things, rather than having to do the same routine tasks over and over. AI can certainly do more than just routine tasks. It can produce some really amazing output, and that still frees up workers to do something more strategic and more innovative. In order to do that innovative, strategic work, people have to build up their skills. They have to layer AI skills on top of all of the skills that they already have. So with all the other challenges that companies face in bringing AI in, building skills is one more challenge that they have to think about.